In this video I'm going to show you how to make two-color text in Canva. So what we will do, open a new design, and after that we are going to add some text into it. Now once you have added the text, then select the text and then select a new font. Choose the font you would like to use. For this one I will use Leak Spartan. Now after that you can capitalize the letters by clicking on this uppercase icon. Then drag the text to make it wider and bigger. The next step is to center it. Then we need to download this option. So for the download option we will use a PNG file, then use the transparent background option. If you don't have a pro account or an educational account, then you can use any tool online to remove the background from this image. For now I will use the transparent background. Download the picture, and after that we are going to upload it. Once you have added it in your design, then make it bigger again. Resize it. So the next step is duplicate this photo, this picture we have just uploaded into our design. Then select the first image and go to edit. Then select the effect option, duotone. Then do the same for the next one. The next step is to select the second image and select the shadows. Now you can choose the preferred color. After that, drag it over your other design. Then drag the top line down halfway of this image. And as you can see, we have now successfully created a two-color text in Canva. So what you can do next is basically go to positions. You can hold your shift button, then select both options, both images, and then group them. And now you can freely move them all around your design. And this is how you create a two-color text in Canva. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.